do something. You're gonna hear something scary. I adopted a vacuum and now know it's pregnant. Look what baby it had. It's scary. If we can save so much, kind of be golden. Oh my God! What the fuck? No! Go! Oh my God! They're going back in. No! No! Okay. But you can tell me about this. I can get up. Again. What the heck? Where the babies? Oh my God! They remind me of the time that I got with like a lot of ladybugs. When you're the little babies. They're evil. They don't want them food. They're gonna eat you up. They're gonna suck you. There he goes. Okay. Okay, perfect. If I had a gate, so you won't doubt. Oh my God, what are they people? No. They must scare you. Wait, freaking no, it's safe. Oh my God. Where do you want to go? Make the first one bigger. There you go. What the heck? Stop here. I think. There you go. Oh my God! No! Guys, stay. That close. You think almost get out. I'm scared. They think I eat people too. I'm scared. Don't just say that because I'm scared. They're gonna get out one time day. They'll get out. We can heal them. But they're big little babies. I will put some flags. I'm scared. Don't go in. They're gonna eat you. They're gonna shake you up like noodles. Because you like much of noodles. Oh my God, I had baby. What? No! Sophia, don't have my fire, please! How do I walk in my window? Down. Let's forget about it. Okay. No. No. Vacuum. The baby vacuums.
Leave the bed.
Huh? Oh, okay. I'm gonna look. Where is it? Huh? Oh my god. Oh my god, that thing goes to my... I didn't see them. Well, I guess one is enough. What?
Go shake my hair.
No! Who got into this thing? No. Get out, hurry up. No, go. No. Joey! We have to watch this though now. Okay, you're gonna watch it though. Why did you do that? Just be back to Mom. I'm scared. Anyways.
Go that side. Just go to the stairs.
What did you please
Go sit outside.
So then when these walls and stuff. Tail. See what practice up was. Okay, make it all white. And then no one could ever wish that to... What the heck? Oh no, why not fish?
Come on, please go.
What the... Second.
Just down away.
I gotta watch them. What the? They put it up in the door. They're really quite big. They're climbing on the walls.
Go sit guys. Go sit in the whole thing.
What the heck? Okay.
No, wait. Leave the door open.
Yeah, they come in.
Okay. I want my mommy.
Should we a tiny bit? Pet back.
Yeah, I like this.
Be a tiny bit. Can you be a cat back? with my sister. Do you burn on fire?
Yes, I leave the fire on.
Is it weird? Look at my wall. Hi. I think that makes this one how good. Whoa, this is so bright. I don't like it. Yeah. What? Should we try with the vacuum free the house? No. Let me get torches.
Get out!
This is another video, so you want to watch more? Wait. It's time that we let the vacuum loose. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Come on, come on. You can go out. Go out. Yay, be free. If you want to watch more videos, you have to subscribe. Oh, hit the like. By the way, I'm not gonna. Maybe you don't have to, kind of. I'm not forcing you, but you won't make that much videos. Bye. Let me join the fancy house.